Hi students, I hope you all are doing fine. In our previous class, we have seen the story part from English for standard 1. Today we will see the book back exercise about that story. The first one in your A, you have the fill in the blanks. So here I have given you the answers directly without the question. You can refer to your books and then you can fill up according to the answers given here. For your first fill up, the right answer is yellow. Second, balloons. Third, sixth, and fourth, red. And in your second Roman number B, it is given question answers. So here I have written the question as well as the answer for you. The first question is, what did Sarah's parents and grandparents give her? So for this answer, Sarah's parents gave her a yellow frock and her grandparents gave her a book. And second one, which gift do you think Sarah liked the most and why? So second answer is, Sarah liked the bicycle gift the most because she can ride on it. And your third question is, did Sarah enjoy the party? Which lines tell you this? Yes, she does not want to miss even a minute, tells us that Sarah enjoyed the party. These are the three question answers given in your book. And next you have D. In your D, it is given true or false. So for your first question, it is true. Then second, false. Third is also false. Fourth, true. And fifth one is true. Next, in your page number 9, if you see, some words are given there. Wonderful day, yellow frock, lovely gift, tiny bell. So what are all these? These are called as describing words or adjectives, you can say. What are adjectives? Words describing about a noun or a pronoun. We say something extra about a noun or a pronoun, that we call as adjective words. Example, wonderful day. Here day is a noun. You see, wonderful is the describing word. We are talking something about the day. We are talking whether it is a wonderful day or not a good day. So here I have given wonderful day. Next, frock. About the frock, we are saying extra thing. We are describing how the frock is, what color is it. So this yellow is the describing word. Next, gift. Here gift, someone gives you something, whether it is lovely or not, that you are telling about the gift. So lovely. Here tiny bell. We are talking about the bell, how big or small it is. So these are called describing words or adjectives. So in your book, in your E question, some dashes are given with some sentence. You can describe them in your own words. For example, here I am a dash pup. So here they have given you dash. Along with this pup, you have to describe something about this pup. What is it? Is it looking good? Is it looking lovely, cute, or whatever it is? So you can fill up here with your own words also. You can write as cute. You can write as sweet. You can write as lovely. Whatever you feel about this pup. So pup is what? It is talking about a dog actually. Then I have dash ears. How many ears does a dog have? It has 2. Then I have dash legs and paws. It is having 4 legs and 4 paws. Paws means toes. And in your second one, you have to do as your homework. And then next, in your F, it is given a conversation between 2 persons. So here, in your dashes, I have given you the right answer. So you can look from here and then fill it up in your book. The first dash, you have to write where. In second dash, what. Third dash, when. fourth, what, and last one, where. So I hope you all understood the book bag exercises with the answers given, and I want you all to keep on studying.